Yeah, the last zodiac sign is Pisces. Okay, for August month, you have the expectations which always everybody has, even you have the same way, and the things you're waiting for the opportunity, maybe in profession life, to have a secure job. Maybe there is a traumatic events which happened before, so you are not able to come out of it completely, or you're still healing, you need more healing, or you need more guidance, or some miracle should happen in your life. So for that you're expecting actually. Maybe there is a loss of faith, loss of faith, but in financial way I feel very good right now. However you're, wherever you're, like like for few people, like they're thinking, let us have a secure job here itself, or moving to a new job, or trying to have a uh, good salary job, which are even you're thinking about the family, your parents maybe. uh, you're the only one child, I think, so looking after the family, maybe that way also. like you're trying to hold on things which you have right now, which you don't want to let leave it, because of whatever it is right now serving you, you will always be stick with that actually right now, because you can't even judge right now. Like you're grieving, delusion, disappointments, betrayal, bitterness, everything was being experienced, broken heart, I see. But few people, there is a loss of love, I think. But illusions is lifting, and you may suddenly find yourself in middle of reality that is painful, disappointing actually. The dark night was a result, maybe someone else deception, maybe. Also you will need to find the seeds of forgiveness actually, in order to avoid a coerced coerced art. Okay, release yourself from any guilt around the situation. When we realize the future we are working towards no longer an option, that's all. Like we are working to the future, but it's an option, but you don't know exactly what it gives. It bears fruits, or it will bear fruit, or from the roots we have been trying to make. Also from now we are at least trying to make. So don't allow life will force you to drain away, but you don't allow yourself to get drained away, because things which you happen in love life or anything, in profession also, many people are facing like they're juggling actually, I see the hard time right now for you. So no, let it go. Your heart dreams, give yourself permission to envision a brighter future actually. When you be positive and hope positively, your grief reclaim your happiness that time. Positively it will attract positives, negative it will attract negatives. It is like a magnet, you are like a magnet for the god, or for the things happening around you. So path filled with hope, so keep hope, move. But maybe in the love life, maybe in the personal life, you have been worried a lot, or you have come out of it, or maybe trying to deal with professional life, or trying to improve your love life also, maybe. For some people, maybe trying to reconnect with the partners, or they're never, like something happened very strongly, something happened disconnected between you both. Now I see, maybe trying to make money to get them back, or professionally financially getting stable in my matters. And the thought process which you have is like, should calm down, maybe you're in pain, come out of it right now. So this month will be healing for you actually. Just be having, keep patience, hold your positive energy still, don't give up everything, or don't lose your hope, have faith. So you will have a good life in future, with finance also, which you have already have. Just hold into that, put your hard work, it will always serve you back. Don't worry, whatever you have given, it will like come back to you. With the hard work will always pay off. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, this is the last zodiac sign which I have covered today. Like all 12 zodiac signs I have completed for August month. So if people need readings, or like I need to, oh, get through comments. Actually, I will not know if you comment me, like if you want a reading, I can do a mini free reading also for you. If you are interested, then we can go into the depth reading, which like I will be doing for new subscribers, mini free readings. So try to connect with me through Facebook page, which I've given in description link. Click that and message me directly, or if you add me as your friend, then you will know my profile, my all reviews there, feedbacks you can watch on, and very accurately, genuinely I give actually readings. The zodiac signs which I'm getting, like it only like it pulls me for the major people, like the lot of amount of people who are dealing with this, only those people energies I can detect. The listings are very less I get, but through one two cards I can't tell. So I have pulled so many cards here for giving detailed month reading for all zodiac signs. So please help me, support me, and like, subscribe, and share this video. Um, my channel. Let your support always be with me. Bless me. Thank you.